Hey there and welcome to day 74. Today I tried to merge the mechanics that we implemented yesterday into the existing player that we were having initially. So basically here if we go to the code, we can see that the player script was updated. It no longer just uses the joystick, but it just takes the speed, and based on the swipes it works. These swipes, it's just a new component that I had to create a new node here that has its own script that basically what it does is handle the event screen touch, and based on the positions and everything it tries to say if it's trying to swipe right, left, up or down. In our case we only want right, left and up because I thought that maybe in the future I could add some elements in the middle of the maze, but basically the player it connects the different methods to the different swipe methods, and what it does is on left and right it turns the different angles, and on the other one it just increases the velocity for Y. Basically the different methods, I also added a start running, stop running because I want that the player only starts running once the game has already ended the initial countdown. And then I also implemented some facing angles methods that allows to look at the proper position. So with that I have the different methods. Also I had to do this turn and make sure this wrap angle exists, because initially when I tried to do that I just was increasing by 90 or decreasing by 90 the angles, but there were some situations after doing the more than 360 that just became kind of a loop and everything was blinking. So with all those changes I could make it work. Now if I play the game and I play the first one, you can see it's on the right, everything normal until the first option I go to the left. So instead of playing with the keys I just have to do this, and yeah, basically I can reach the game. I tested in a real mobile device and it feels really good. I mean, compared to the previous mechanics with the joystick, it feels awesome. And yeah, actually now that I say this joystick, I think I didn't remove it from the actual canvas layer here, the virtual joystick, so I will need to remove it. But yeah, I have this properly working, and in the mobile works fine. So tomorrow I'll try to clean everything up and make sure that the game can be played. And something I also realized is the resolution on my mobile, because it looks kind of blurry, the things. And I mean I can play, but when you are in the top view, yeah, it's not well defined. I'm not sure why, so I will try to understand why it happens and try to fix that. Also for some reason I think that in the first level it starts looking in the wrong direction for some reason in my mobile, so I will have to take a look at those small details. But other than that I think I have the main mechanic working. And with the swipe thing I've been thinking that maybe as the levels increase I could add different things, like some obstacles in the middle that you can jump, also that some walls have some kind of I don't know how to say that, like things that hurt you. So like, let me find the word here. It's translate like in English. Let me find it here. English. Spikes. Yeah, spikes was the word I was looking for. So some kind of spikes in some walls or something that if you reach the wall then you die or something. But yeah, those are the feature scenarios. What I want to do first is to start with 10 levels that are normal, that are properly starting from easier to harder, and then if I get any user to play I'll try to add extra features, but I want to have the main thing working and improve that works on an actual mobile device, because as I said, the resolutions among this simulator emulator here in the laptop and on my mobile, there are some things that change. And that's all for today. I'm not sure how much time I'll have tomorrow because I have a few things to do, but yeah, I'll try to do the best. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with more.